Before beginning the installation of our security window bars, make sure you have all the necessary equipment. Each item you'll need is shown on screen. The window bars are manufactured to meet the required measurements. In this example, we're installing a reveal fix system. For a reveal fix, subtract 5 to 10 mm from your aperture dimensions. For a face fix, add 100 mm to your measurement. Use the fitting shims to bring the window bars level. Using an SDS drill with a 6 mm drill bit, drill through the fixing holes in the bar frame directly into the wall. Insert the provided fixings and tighten them to secure the frame in place. Always check your levels as you go. Fix the base section first, then move up the sides and top. Once the bars are securely fitted, apply a colour-matched window sealant along the outer rims to close any gaps and provide a neat finish. The entire installation process is simple and efficient. For more information on our security window bars, visit lathamsteeldoors.co.uk.